Alrighty, welcome back to Stop That Animation, and we got another Fashion Spree set, and this is the cool casual set. We got Bop Top, we got Penelope Pete's, Wheats, Shades, we got Floppy Hat, Satchel, Smarty Phone, Peter, and Sneaker. So I'll be back with this all opened up. Okay, we're back with the set all opened up, so let me show you the Shopkins first. We got the little shades. We got this little thing. It almost looks like a dress, but I don't think it is. We got one of the shoes. The other one. We got the hat. The iPhone or smartphone, that's what it is, a smartphone. We got the shirt and the little bag. So this comes with this little stand that you can put these on, like that. It comes with this, so you can also set your shoes on. And this, you just slide them in the little cubbies, and then there's also a drawer that you can open up, and that comes out. So that's all for this set. If you like it, thumbs up, comment down below. Let us know which one is your favorite Shopkin out of this set. Thumbs up, subscribe. Bye guys!